Compare reishi and shiitake mushrooms. Mushrooms are a great addition to any dish. Two of the most popular mushrooms used in cooking are the reishi mushroom and the shiitake mushroom. Both of these mushrooms are said to have health benefits when eaten. These two mushrooms have different qualities and can help people with different ailments. Reishi mushrooms are said to be good for people who have respiratory problems, and shiitake mushrooms are good for lowering the cholesterol level in the body. Here is a bit more information to help you decide whether to use reishi mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms. Facts on reishi mushrooms' appearance. The reishi mushroom has a purple-brown color with a long stalk. There are also other variations in the color of reishi mushrooms, including blue, red, yellow, white and black. A reishi mushroom has brown spores and the shiny cap of the mushroom is shaped like a fan. Reishi mushrooms can be seen in tree stumps and wood that are decayed. Some of the trees where you can find reishi mushrooms are on plum trees and oak trees. This type of mushroom is native to North America, China, and Japan. Other Asian countries are able to cultivate the reishi mushroom. Health benefits. Reishi mushrooms are said to be good for people who have respiratory problems, such as asthma and bronchitis. The intake of reishi mushrooms can have a positive effect on the lungs. Reishi mushroom is also used to treat liver disorders, arthritis and high blood levels. According to researches that have been conducted over the years, reishi mushrooms have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that can cleanse the body of toxins. Reishi mushrooms as alternative medicine are available as syrups, teas, tablets, and also through injections. Facts on shiitake mushrooms' appearance. The shiitake mushroom is one of the most popular types of mushrooms. This mushroom is local to Japan, China, and other countries in Asia. The shiitake mushroom is usually brown in color and is easy to distinguish. Some shiitake mushrooms are colored brown with white spots. The cap of this mushroom is umbrella-shaped and has gills underneath. They also have a curve-shaped stem. Shiitake mushrooms grown on oak trees. Health benefits. The shiitake mushroom is best for people who have high cholesterol levels. The amino acids that are found in the shiitake mushroom help in breaking down the cholesterol that is found in the liver. This mushroom is often used in cooking. According to research, shiitake mushrooms are also useful in minimizing the symptoms of hepatitis B and some other viral infections. One study indicated that shiitake mushrooms may decrease or remove the presence of cancer cells. This study was done with lab mice. The element that lessened the cancer cells is lentinan. These are some of the facts regarding reishi mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms. Both of these mushrooms provide health benefits and can be a good source of alternative medicine for different types of ailments. If you are into alternative medicine, it is good to try these mushrooms so that you can experience these benefits. As you can see, each of these mushrooms offers a wide range of health benefits. These are also delicious additives to many Asian-themed dishes. The specific mushroom you select is, of course, up to you.